Today is January 17th, 2019. It's 71 degrees inside the Twinkie. I just now opened the windows. It's probably about almost 1:30 in the afternoon. And I kind of left work early today. Kind of need a mental health day. And this kind of stuff actually relaxes me. So I am going to put the exterior color up on the kitchen. Just this wall over here and the upper cabinets. The bottom cabinets I'll do later because I need to keep the plastic up for now. First coat. Now for the top. There we go, first coat. Brightened it up already, didn't it? This is going to tie in nicely with the stick-on tiles I picked from my wall. Awesome. Okay, now to do this side. Okay. The kitchen has its first coat. One more coat of these cabinets that I've already painted and they'll be finished. And yeah, I had overlap, but I'll fix that later. That's not going to be a difficult fix. Since my roller was new, it wanted to overlap, but I'll just go over that with used roller with the gray paint and that should fix it. Okay, I'm going to go paint some doors. There we go, kitchen cabinets. Upper cabinets. And door panels. Not all of them will get painted this color. I'll do the same thing I've done throughout the RV. Put the light on dark and dark on light. And the cutting board looks better too. Okay, just in case I don't get back to y'all, in case the weather changes and I don't get back in here, I will make an update video. Or this will be my update video rather. So I'm going to call it a day, clean up my supplies, and see you again when I come back in here. Thanks for watching. I appreciate y'all. Y'all are great. Live the life you love. Bye-bye.